After Hurricane Helene, so many homeowners in the Augusta area were left overwhelmed, not just by the damage, but by the confusion that followed. I sat through a panel with a home inspector, an insurance agent, a lender, and a real estate attorney, and I'm going to share the exact insights they gave me that could save you potentially thousands, plus what I've personally learned helping clients through the hurricane. This video is for educational purposes only. If you need very specific advice for your situation, I'm happy to connect you with a professional. What's actually in your insurance policy? Most people don't realize how limited a standard policy can be. You're typically covered for your dwelling, personal property, about 50 to 75%. Dwelling extensions, usually 10% of your main policy, and that includes patios, porches, fences, a little bit of your pool, but your pool's typically going to need its own insurance extension. So the catch with insurance is things like flood, wind, hail, inflation protection, roof matching. These are all add-ons, of course. They're not covered by default. And internal water damage, that's not the same as flood insurance. Water is categorized different depending on where it's coming from, and it's complicated. And that's why reviewing line by line with your insurance agent is important. In the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, some homeowners saw 13 different insurance adjusters. And once the wildfires hit in California, the most experienced adjusters got pulled there. That meant that the rest of us were left explaining the same situation over and over again to new people, each with a different answer, and that is frustrating. What can you do then? You can protect yourself by working with a real estate attorney. They can help you build a case. What you'll need is 3 contractor quotes, documentation of the damage, proper communication to the insurance company. The more prepared you are, the more likely you'll receive a fair payout. Now, a lot of people ask, should we bulldoze or rebuild? And the answer is, it's a math problem. Let's just say your home is worth $500,000. The insurance pays you 60% of that. That's $300,000, but you still owe $320,000 on the mortgage. The check is made out to you and your mortgage company. The bank will take their $320,000 first, and now you're already short. But if you owe less than the payout, you may be able to use what's left for demolition and cleanup, apply for a construction loan with that money as a down payment, or pay off the loan and sell the lot to a builder and then buy something new. Alternatively, you can fix the only damaged areas. If the home is structurally sound, sometimes repairing the damage is more financially feasible, especially if you don't have enough leftover funds to rebuild. It's all about your equity, your debt, and your next move. After a hurricane, storm chasers show up. They are traveling contractors trying to sell services quickly, but many don't pull permits, aren't bonded, and leave you hanging. Why does that matter? When you go to sell, buyers can look up your home on sites like housefacts.com. If permits were not pulled, you may be forced to redo work or offer major concessions. What to do then? Choose local professionals who are licensed, bonded, and insured in Georgia, have a reputation here in Augusta, and will pull all required permits and provide documentation. And please do not pay for work until it is complete. Let's rewind a little bit. Before you even touch anything, before you clean up anything, you need to document video walkthroughs, photos of every room, close-ups of the damage, serial numbers, receipts. You can even call a home inspector to get a professional overview. Contractors are going to be backed up for months, but inspectors, attorneys, and agents can help you get ahead of the mess. If you're in Augusta and dealing with hurricane damage, or you just want to prepare for the next storm, please reach out. I can connect you with the trusted local experts that will really take care of you. And if you found this video help at all, like, subscribe so that we can keep continuing to give good information into the hands of homeowners who need it. Stay safe and document everything. See you in the next video.